Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to generate some random user data for API testing inside Python. So there is a specific library or package inside Python that you can install here, which generate random tabular data. So the name of the package is random tables. So if you just search for this random dash tables, this is actually a little module here. The command is simple: pip install random dash tables. So just execute this. I've already installed it. So this basically creates a random tabular data. You just provide a specified schema of data, what kind of data that you want to generate. So as you can see, we are generating this four column data: name, age, country, and marks. So we basically provide the schema here. So the first column must be a string column. The second one must be an integer. Third one again will be a string, and the fourth one will be a floating point number. So you provide the schema, and then it will save it as a CSV file. So if I execute this, so first of all, you just need to install this. So we simply execute the command random tables. And then after that, you simply execute the script here, and then the data will be saved to the CSV file. Here you will see the tabular data has been generated, and we see these four columns here: name, age, country, marks. So if you're developing some kind of an application which contains some testing of data, you can generate these random tabular data of any schema using this package. Uh, so now let me show you how to get started here. So first of all, you just need to import this module. So from random tables, you need to import the data set generator. After that, we basically provide the schema here inside this array here. So we provide an array of objects. So each object will contain this type property here. So what sort of data that you want to generate? So it will be a string data. Then it will be split to true, and here we provide the column name, which will be names. It will be a name column, so here all the names will be generated. And secondly, we will be having a second column here. This will be of type integer, so here the type will be integer. And then the third column here will be of type again string, and then split will be set to false. So here you can see we are including all the data types: string, integer, and lastly we will be generating a floating point number. So here you can just give whatever data type that you want to generate here, like this. So after you provide the schema here, now based upon the schema we will be generating the data. So we simply need to call this data set generator, and then our data is generated. It contains this generator function right here, generate function, and here it takes the actual schema, and we already declared the schema early on. And then here we specify all the columns here: name, age, country, and marks. Then we save this all this data to the CSV file. So it contains a series of functions. Either you can export them into Excel or CSV as well. So just give it a file name. So then you can print out a statement that all your data has been saved. So this is a very simple package. You basically provided the actual schema, what kind of data that you want to generate. After that, you simply call the generate function. Based upon the schema, it will generate the data. So if I again delete this, again run this script here, you will see that it will generate the data here. Every time the data will be random. As you can see here, if I once again generate this, again the data will be random. So that's the speciality of this package. Every time you generate, it will the data will be random. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.